Welcome to WP Themes Villa. Are you looking to elevate your travel agency's online presence? We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing our pre-made WordPress theme, designed specifically for travel agencies. And the best part? All of this for just $9. Plus, we offer free installation services to get you started right away. Introducing Wanderlust Adventures WordPress theme. With its array of features and user-friendly design, it started with professional WordPress theme for travel agency owners, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance for content creation and editing within the WordPress platform. Get ready for the demo homepage, off-airings, facilities, about US page, contact us page. Some features are easy customizable, pre-made pages, lifetime license, responsive create, multiple pages boost, local visibility, unlimited updates, ultimate block editor. Purchase Wanderlust Adventures and build high converting site at just $9 with unlimited updates and lifetime updates.